There are moments when your chest feels heavy, and you cannot explain why. You wake up tired even after sleeping. Your thoughts keep moving in circles. You think about your future, your problems, and your mistakes. Everything feels like it is out of control. In that moment, you forget one simple truth that can change your heart. You are not the planner. Allah is the planner. Life does not always go the way you expect. You make plans for one direction, then life takes you to another. You try your best, but results do not match your effort. You feel stuck, confused, and sometimes broken inside. But what you think is delay may be protection. What you think is loss may be guidance. What you think is failure may be preparation for something better. Nothing happens without reason. Every detail of your life is already known by Allah. Think about your daily struggles. The job you did not get. The message that was not answered. The chance that slipped away. The door that closed suddenly. At that time, you felt sad and disappointed. You may have questioned your worth. But later, you may understand that closed door saved you from something you could not see. Your vision is small. Allah's plan is complete. You see one moment. Allah sees your whole life. Stress grows when you try to control everything. Your heart becomes heavy when you carry things you were never meant to carry alone. You worry about tomorrow even before it comes. You think again and again about yesterday, even though it cannot be changed. This is where peace leaves the heart. Real peace begins when you accept that control is not in your hands. Your duty is effort. The result belongs to Allah. There is a deep calm that comes when you trust this truth. You start doing your best without fear of what will happen next. You stop chasing things that are not meant for you. You stop hurting yourself over things that move away from you. You start to feel lighter. You begin to sleep with less worry. You begin to feel that even in silence, something good is working for you. Life will still bring problems. Difficult moments will still come. But your heart will respond in a different way. Instead of panic, you will feel patience. Instead of confusion, you will feel trust. Instead of breaking down, you will feel strength rising inside you. Because you know nothing can take what Allah has written for you, and nothing can stop what is meant to reach you. Sometimes you do not need more answers. You need more trust. You need to stop asking why everything is happening, and start believing that something meaningful is being built from it. Even delays have purpose. Even pain is shaping you. Even silence is part of your growth. There is comfort in letting go of pressure. You stop forcing things. You stop running after people who walk away. You stop measuring your value through temporary situations. You start to understand that your worth is not decided by people or events. Your worth is already known by the one who created you. So when life feels heavy again, stop for a moment. Take a deep breath. Remind your heart that you are not alone. You are guided even when the path is not clear. You are protected even when you feel weak. You are being led even when life feels confusing. Trust does not remove problems. It removes fear from problems. And when fear leaves your heart, you see life with new strength. You become patient without forcing it. You become calm without losing hope. You become strong even in uncertainty. No matter where you are today, you are not forgotten. Your story is still being written. Your time is still coming. What is written for you will reach you at the right moment, not early and not late. Keep moving forward with effort. Keep your heart steady with trust. Keep your faith alive in every moment. Because the one who plans your life never makes mistakes. If this message touched your heart, like this video, share it with someone who needs peace today, and subscribe for more reminders that bring calm to the heart and strength to the soul.